This is Dexter thinking he's burying his bone, but we're not outside. He hasn't quite figured that out. Uh-oh. Where are you gonna go with that, buddy? He's gonna find a new spot. Uh-oh. He's on top of the laptop. Come off of there. Bury your bone again. Alright. Gonna get back to it? Okay, I think he's done burying. Oh, no,